Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we will talk about the Apple response to the new iPhone hack. So recently, Apple has addressed a critical issue involving a new iPhone hack where attackers flood users with text messages potentially leading to password reset requests and phishing attempts. This exploit appears to be leveraging a bug in the system to bypass rate limits, enabling the attackers to send an excessive number of messages to targeted users. Apple responded by urging users to remain calm and vigilant. They emphasized the importance of not sharing any one time codes or sensitive information, even if the request seems to come from Apple. If a user receives suspicious messages or call, they should hang up and contact Apple support directly to verify the authenticity of the request. For user, it's crucial to keep their devices updated with the latest software and security patches to mitigate the risk of such attacks. Regularly checking for updates and being cautious about unsolicited requests for personal information and significantly reduce the risk of falling victim to this type of hacks. So that's it guys. Apple continues to work on enhancing the security of their devices and regularly release updates. Make sure you are up to date to the software updates. So that's it guys. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe our channel, and thank you so much for watching.